দেখুন প্রেডেসা ট্রেনিং সেন্টার আজকে আমরা আছি এসএসসি 2026 এর একজন স্টুডেন্টকে নিয়ে আমরা ওর একটা ছোট্ট ইংলিশের স্পিকিং টেস্ট নিব যা আইএলটিএস এর অনুসরণে হবে চলুন দেখা যাক সে কিরকম পারফর্ম করে ওকে This is the International English Language Testing System speaking test conducted on Wednesday, 8th of July 2026, center number 50547, candidate name SM Arafat Ahmed, candidate number 600498, examiner name Sanu Shaharia Mufti, examiner number 409255. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me your full name, please?
My name is SM Arafat Ahmed.
And what should I call you?
You can call me Arafat.
Okay, Arafat, where are you from?
I'm from Jamalpur.
Okay. Now, in this first part, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself, okay? Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I use for communication and entertaining videos and educational purposes.
Okay. Which social media platform do you use most?
I use most YouTube for educational purposes and entertainment. For communication with people I personally know, I use WhatsApp and Facebook.
Okay. How much time do you spend on social media each day?
When I'm use social media, I try to use an hour of a day, though I do not success always, but I try not more use this app every time.
Okay. Do you think social media has a positive or negative effect on society?
Yes, social media both have positive and negative impacts. The positive side is that for a student, he can learn many things from social media and he know everything from social media. And the other side that if he addicted to social media, it is harmful for their studies, sleeps, etc.
Okay. Do you think social media is changing the way people communicate?
Yes, I think that cause for helping social media, people can communicate each other who lives far away. He can send email for his work or job purpose and anything.
Okay, so that was the end of our part 1 speaking session. Now in the part 2, I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it to 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you'll have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the paper and pen and your topic is describe a positive experience you have had because of social media. Your time starts now. Thank you. Remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you in the middle. I'll tell you when the time is up. So, can you please start your speaking now?
The positive side of social media, I can learn many things from social media. I can use social media for my educational purposes. For like I learn many things, my academic syllabus. And the third thing is that I use social media for my entertainment, and I learn many co-curricular activities and skill like freelancing, digital marketing, web development, etc. That's the positive side of my social media.
Okay, that was the end of our part 2. Now in part 3, I'm going to ask you some general questions, okay? So, the first one is, how does social media affect young people's mental health?
Social media affects young people's mental health very fastly. If one person use social media for their good side, they can work perfectly. But if they addicted to social media, it has very harmful for their lifestyle. They cannot attention their study or work. They cannot eat properly. For this reason, they can affected by attacked many diseases, etc.
The next question is, can social media be used as a tool for positive social change?
Yes, social media can use a tool for positive change. People use social media mostly for their work and entertainment. If they use it the positive side, they can complete their work very easily. They can help with the help of AI, and they can solve their many problems. That's the very good thing of their life, and they can anything type of work like freelancing, digital marketing, web development. They can solve it with the help of social media.
Okay, so the last question of this session is, should social media companies be held responsible for content posted on their platforms?
Yes, social media. Would you please repeat my question, please?
Should social media companies be held responsible for content posted on their platforms?
No, ma'am. This the people who uses social media depends on of him how he use it. The Because if he use it properly, they can solve their work. They can easily, it is also helpful for the educational purposes. But the people who use it, who use social media not perfectly, and they addicted it, they cannot work there properly, they cannot study it properly. It is harmful for their study and work, etc. So in my opinion, that social media is helpful for people who use it properly and positive side. But social media is also harmful people which people are use it in the bad way. That's the thing.
Okay, so that was the end of the session with SM Arafat Ahmed. So thank you so much for giving your time till now.